seems a little lot, but to us, this is everything. I see you've already met the gatherers, and you may call me Kembe. Now, to some of you, this may look like a lot of old junk, but let me assure you, some of it is new junk. Let me explain. We humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. We search the galaxy for ancient relics, abandoned places, forgotten outposts, and battle-ravaged planets. And what we find, we bring here, to the workshop. So where a stormtrooper may see worthless clutter, those who know see priceless history. And in these troubled times, preserving our past may ensure our future. You've heard the legend of Luke Skywalker, yes?
Yes.
Very good. Well now, we hear there is another. A new Jedi. Do you know her name? Rey, yes, what she is leading is the spark of hope that we have been searching for so long. And that's why you're here. To look ahead. Well, and to build this. A lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and darkest enemies. It is elegant and enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art. The saber is a reflection on its builder, with the force flowing between them. Today you will feel that connection. But enough talking. Let's begin, shall we? We begin with perhaps the most important part of the lightsaber, the Kyber crystal. Able to focus the energy of the Force to magnify it, some say the Kyber crystal is the heart of the lightsaber. The color of the crystal determines the color of the lightsaber's blade. The blue crystal, like the one wielded by Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. Violet, red, beautiful, like the one wielded by Mace Windu. And red, the color of power, the crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. But these are the stories of the past, and we're here for you, our future. It's now time to select your Kyber crystal. Everyone, close your eyes to me. Close your eyes. In your mind, picture your crystal. What color do you see? What color calls to you? What color is yours? Now open your eyes and select your crystal. And remember, the crystal may be choosing
What color are we gonna go?
Oh, red. Since you guys decided the lightsaber, I want to decide this.
I think that's a great idea.
Red, sure. I think this will
You know
look
that's
good
the dark side, right?
Wait,
You know that's a dark side crystal.
someone else took red. Oh, that's all. What's this blue?
Okay.
It's blue. Remember to share it. Share the one.
You've all selected your crystals. Now, if you would, please place them in the green crystal holders in front of you. You will now begin pairing your crystal with the unique lightsaber design that you have chosen.
Put it down.
You'll begin by building your hilt, the foundation of your lightsaber, your center of control, and the power to stop your hand from being disintegrated.
Come on, look, we can
In these boxes are the unique
Can you
components
follow the
of
instructions
the
and have
lightsaber
Tyson do
design
it?
that you've chosen.
What's this?
Now, in the boxes you will find the chassis, the activation plates, grip, pommel cap, and emitter. Building a lightsaber is a journey. Just as you selected your Kyber crystal, so too you will now select the individual parts that make up your own unique saber. The gatherers are here to help you, should you require assistance. Well, are we ready?
Yeah.
Very good. Let's build.
Alright, travelers, this is Al. I'll be walking you through the build journey today. Start with our Kyber crystal and our chassis, and we're going to insert the Kyber crystal into the chassis with the narrow end facing upward towards the top of the chassis.
The narrow end upwards.
It's like this? Yeah, like this.
So let's see what we've done so far. We put our crystal in.
Wait, mine.
And then we have
Is this a switch too? No, this part.
Switch is on the other side. There you go.
This is really cool. This is off, this is on.
Okay. Don't do it yet. Don't do it
It's
yet.
turning it off.
Don't do it yet.
There you go. Most of the young ones have done very good work. Have you known their first time for a long time?
I don't know what that happened.
You like the one we picked? Do you have it?
That's cool.
Love it?
What about you?
Love it?
Yeah.
If your Rancor tooth here, it's like this one over here. Now, you may be a little too young for this, but Olga from the cantina across the way, she's been trying to get her hands on our supply of Rancor teeth for quite a while. I don't think for as innocent reasons as we have here. Something about people flying. Ah, excellent.
Let me
Curious.
know we can't have it.
Again, one of the more traditional Jedi designs finds itself paired next to pieces from the Sith
So
homeworld.
is this off and this is on?
Interesting.
So when Kevin says activate, you're gonna be able to know when he says it. You're gonna push that button up right there, all right?
Don't do it yet. Don't do
You
it
don't worry
yet.
about that, but when he does, you'll do it, all right?
The language that you see is popping over here. All
Are you excited?
Does this actually work?
Yeah, it'll work.
Are you?
I mean, will it actually like kill people?
It could. It could.
Kill people?
I mean, we hope that you don't use it for that.
You wouldn't use it for that, would you?
What? Like hitting very hard it would.
It would hurt. It would definitely hurt. I mean, I wouldn't want
Now, if you haven't already, feel free to pick up your lightsaber in your dominant hand, whether it be your left or your right.
Pick it up.
Start to feel how that lightsaber sits in
How about
your
you pick it
palms.
together?
Keep
Hold it
balanced.
together.
Its nuances, what makes
No,
it
on the bottom.
unique and yours.
I'm gonna
Now, if you would indulge me, please place
That's not
them
how you hold it.
in the holders in front of
That's not how
you
you hold it.
and reflect for a moment on your new
What are you doing? Put it back. What is wrong with you?
Very good. You've all completed your hilts and nothing unexpected or traumatic happened. Why would it? Which brings us now to the most dangerous part of the process. I will ask everyone to take a step back. Gatherers, we will now begin stabilizing your crystals for activation. This must be done with a great deal of care, skill, timing. A single inverted emitter and we could have yet another hole in the roof of this workshop. We won't be doing that again, will we, Taylor? Thank you. You seem nervous over here. You're okay? I'd be nervous. You're standing in front of a box of thermal detonators. Very good. All right, now as we move forward into the next stage in the process. What's that?
Many parts nearer now. Join they are. Yes, lightsaber. It begins. It is time.
That's Yoda.
Your journey.
Master Yoda. It is indeed time to take that first step. The bond between Saber and Builder is about to be forged in a moment on my signal. Everyone will take a step forward, place their hands on their hilt, and together
Put your hand.
we will activate for the first
Put your
time.
hand on the hilt.
Are you ready?
Put your hand on the hilt.
Then step forward, place your hand on your hilt, and activate. Builders, raise your lightsabers. You have built a lightsaber. Like the Jedi and Sith came before them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Builders, please deactivate and lower the lightsabers. Good.
Complete your lightsaber.
Don't put it down.
Like you when it can, and leave you, it cannot. Your journey, you the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. Notice, in your hands you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. To protect your new lightsaber, we're pleased to present you with a saber sheath as you depart. Our time is at an end, but your journey is just beginning. It's now time to make your mark on the galaxy. Remember, you are as unique and extraordinary as the lightsabers you have created. And who knows, perhaps next time, we may be telling your story. Till the spire. Till the spire.